everyone. In this video we will do question number 3 and 4 of exercise 1.2. Question number 3 is state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. We know that what are finite sets in which we have finite number of elements and infinite set in which we have infinite number of elements. Let's check which of these are finite or infinite. First one is the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. We know that there are infinite, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. We know that we can draw infinite lines parallel to x-axis, so this will be a infinite set. Now next one, the set of letters in English alphabet. We know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet, so this is a finite set. Next one is the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5, we know that these are 5, 10, 15 up to so on. These are the number which ends with 0 and 5. All are multiples of 5. So these are infinite in numbers. So this will be a infinite set. This will be a infinite set. Now next one is the set of animals living on earth. We know that there are finite number of animals which are living in earth. So this will be a finite set. Next one is the set of circles through origin 0, 0. We know that from origin we can draw infinite many circles. So this will be a infinite set. Infinite set. Now we will start question number 4. In the following state whether A is equals to B or not. We know that what are equal sets in which every element of A is an element of B and every element of B is an element of A. Then we say that A is equals to B. First one is we have to check A is equals to B or not. For this we will check every element of A is an element of B or every element of B is an element of A. Now we will check A is equals to A, B, C, D. In B we have elements D, C, B, A. We can see that every element of A is an element of B and every element of B is an element of A. So A is equals to B. Here A is equals to B. Second part. Here A is equals to 4, 8, 12, 16 and B is equals to 8, 4, 16 and 18. We can easily see that here 4 is in the both sets and 8 is also included in both the sets, but 12 is in A but not in B. So these sets are not equal. If we find one element which are not in the other, these sets are not equal. Next one is, third one is A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equals to those x such that x is positive even integer and x is less than equals to 10. We know that this is the roster form and this is the set builder form. If we build the set by using this, it will form 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 because these are positive even integers which are less than or equals to 10. So this will also give us same elements. So third one is also equal. Here A is equals to B. Now fourth one, A is equals to those x such that x is multiple of 10. We know that multiple of 10, this is a set builder form. We will form roster form by this. Multiple of 10 will be 10, 20, 30 up to so on. And B is equals to 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 up to so on. We can easily check that these are not equal because every element here 15 is present and 15 is not present in A. So A is not equals to B. Hope you understood all the concepts. Thank you for watching.